This video is brought to you by the Department of Science and Technology in support of the International Year of Light and Light-Based Technologies 2015. Sunlight is essential for the survival of all species on Earth. Man needs sunlight for food, warmth, and to see in the dark. But as you will see later in this video, technology has enabled us to produce and manipulate light in fascinating and powerful ways. Plants seek out sunlight through a process known as phototropism. It is described as the direction that a plant grows in relation to its light source. Plants tend to grow and bend in certain ways to make sure that plants retain maximum light exposure. Sunflowers are famous for doing this. Sunflower oil is important to our economy. South Africa is the 10th largest producer of sunflower seeds in the world, which is used to make oil, food, medicine, or used for industrial purposes. Plants are important for our survival. Without them, we would not be able to breathe. Therefore, the public is encouraged to plant more trees. Photosynthesis is the process through which a plant gives off oxygen into the atmosphere. Every living thing on Earth has to eat, breathe, and drink water, including plants. They use light as their food source, soak up water through their roots, and breathe in carbon dioxide. Once the plant has all three, it gives off oxygen. This entire process is known as photosynthesis. Through technological innovation, we are able to harness the power of light and turn it into revolutionary tools to improve our quality of life and productivity. With the use of solar panels, we can convert sunlight into electricity. 90% of South Africa's electricity is produced by coal-fired power stations at the moment. Renewable, clean energy sources like solar power can help to reduce our dependency on coal. With the use of electricity, we can create light. As technology improves, we are able to make better lighting choices at home. The traditional incandescent light bulb uses 95% of its energy on heat and only 5% on light. Because of this, it's not very energy efficient. They also last only about 1,000 hours. An energy-saving light-emitting diode, or LED, can last up to 25,000 hours using very little electricity. This is possible because it is using 95% of its energy on producing light. Given the strain on the national grid, using energy-saving light bulbs will greatly mitigate the pressure and direct electricity saved to other social needs. By providing a more efficient lighting source, it creates a cost-saving effect for companies and household budgets. Cataract surgery is one of the most common performed procedures in the medical industry. Cataract is a medical condition that affects the eye. It is a gradual clouding of the eye lens that could lead to blurry, dull vision or even blindness. The only way to treat this condition is with surgery. Traditional cataract surgery was performed with handheld blades. Laser technology offers surgeons the ability to make precise cuts and target areas without damaging surrounding tissues. This approach is about 10 times more accurate than the traditional cataract procedure. Lasers can also be used in the manufacturing industry and is fundamental for the creation of many vital products. Laser cutting and welding makes use of an intense energy beam as its heat source. Different types of lasers are utilized depending on the material and application of each product. Using laser, quality is assured through the exceptional precision and control the process offers. Laser beams can be used as an early detection system to warn you of intruders. The laser sends out a straight line of light. A detector is connected to sensing electronics and, if interrupted, sends out a warning signal. Lasers can be beautiful as well as practical. In terms of entertainment, think of holograms and laser shows, or using lasers to create digital works of art. The possibilities are endless. Do not shine a laser light directly into someone's eyes, as this is extremely dangerous. A laser light gives off a concentrated laser beam, and if anyone shines a laser light into a person's eye, it will go right through the pupil and can possibly cause permanent blindness. The sun gives off ultraviolet light, which is the most harmful. Staring at the sun too long, for example, during a solar eclipse, can cause damage to your retina, resulting in serious damage to your vision. This laser range finding bow sight was developed in South Africa. It's a precision instrument that makes use of a laser range finder unit that measures the distance to the target with a 0.45 meter accuracy. In June 2013, CSIR's National Laser Center invented the Flame Lens, a system that uses air to focus laser beams and can handle almost unlimited power. With the introduction to this innovative invention, it brings expertise from separate fields in aerodynamics and optics to create a world-renowned tool. The lens could be used in petawatt laser systems for science, nuclear, and military applications. Researchers at CSIR discovered that light could be digitally manipulated before it exits the laser. Thus, a wide variety of patterns can be produced by making use of holograms. This laser will be cost-effective because you can make use of one laser to do multiple jobs. Light is found in nature and everyday life. We all need light in order to better our lives, be it for entertainment, improvements in the medical and manufacturing field, or for your security at home. It will always be there, and we will continue to make use of it for future generations to come.